morning, dear students. Welcome to the Garden School. The last class, we completed the story, The Cherry Tree by Ruskin Bond. Hope you all read the story a couple of times. So, we are moving to the exercise part of the story. We can see reading comprehension, vocabulary, grammar, listening, spelling, and writing. So, in the reading comprehension part, we have 4 sections, true and false. Read these sentences and answer the questions as follows. Third one, answer these questions. And finally, think and answer. It is to improve your reading skills. So, go through it, you can easily answer. And after that, compare with the answers uploaded in the website. Moving to the next section, that is values and life skills. Throughout the story, we saw how Ragesh and his grandfather taking care of the cherry tree. And they helped to overcome all the hardships in the life of the cherry tree, and the seedling become a big cherry tree. We also know how Ragesh and his grandfather taking care of each other. So this shows how we can help others to survive in their hardships through our concern and care. So this is a value, and you can practice this in your life also. How you can help others to survive their hardships in their life. Moving to the next section, it is vocabulary. In this section, we can see the usage of one word instead of using many words. Read these sentences and look at the difference. Here we have 2 examples. First one, they waited without saying a single word until it was dark. And the second sentence, they waited in silence until it was dark. So both the sentences have the same meaning. But instead of using many words, the second sentence was replaced with a single word. Instead of using without saying a single word, here it is used silence. And in the next part of the exercise, we can see a crossword. What is a crossword? Crossword is a word puzzle that we can fill with the help of the clues given. 2 sections will be there, across and below or down. So, the vertical part is the down, and the horizontal part is the across. Here also we can see the usage of one word instead of many words. You have to fill the crossword with a single word instead of using the many words given in the clue. For example, without much strength, that is 2 across, we can see the first word over here, that is W. Without much strength, that is weak, W-E-A-K. So for one down, we can see the question is to look at something very quickly, that is glance. So like that, you can complete the crossword, pause the video, complete the crossword and come back. Hope you're done with it. We can check the answers. 2 across is weak, 6 across is caterpillar, 8 across is floated, 9 across is plodded, and 10 across is moment. And the downward section, below section, we can see 1 down, we already saw that, it's glance. 3 down is stunted. 4 down is yielding. 5 down is blossom. And finally, 7 down is valley. Hope all the answers are correct. We can move to the next section of the exercise, that is the grammar part. We are going to learn about the subject and the predicate. We can read the sentences from the text. Ragesh lived with his grandfather in the outskirts of Mussoorie. Here, Ragesh is the subject and lived with his grandfather on the outskirts of Mussoorie is a predicate. Subject is that part of the sentences about which something is said, and predicate is that part of the sentence which says something about the subject. Moving to the exercise part, you have 8 questions. Here, you circle the subject and underline the predicate. Let's see the first question. Ragesh kept the cherry in his mouth for some time. Here, Ragesh is a subject and kept the cherry in his mouth for some time is a predicate. You can do the rest of the exercise by yourself. Pause the video, do it and come back. Hope you all done with it. We can check the answers. Question number 2, the cherry tree bend low. Here, the cherry tree is a subject and bend low is the predicate. We planted it ourselves. Third question, we planted it ourselves. We is the subject and planted it ourselves is the predicate. Question number 4, the seed we planted last year has come up. The seed is the subject. We planted last year has come up as a predicate. Question number 5, there is just the right amount of shade here. There is a subject and is just the right amount of shade here is a predicate. Question number 6, he could run and jump and climb trees as well as most boys. Here, he is a subject, could run and jump and climb trees as well as most boys is a predicate. Next one, question number 7, Ragesh removed it quickly. Here, Ragesh is a subject and removed it quickly is a predicate. 8th one, he stopped in front of the cherry tree. Here, he is a subject and stopped in front of the cherry tree is a predicate. Moving to the next exercise. Here, we have the subject and verb agreement. The verb in a sentence should agree with the subject in the sentence. So, there should be an agreement with the verb and the subject. If the subject is singular, then the verb using in the sentence also should be singular. If the subject is plural, then the verb also is plural. Here we can see 2 examples. Each one of them has a pencil. Here, each one is a subject and has is a verb. Each one is singular, has is also singular. Next sentence, we can see the shoes are too small for one. Here, the shoes is a subject and are is a verb. Both are plural. So, moving to the exercise part, here you can see the filling the blanks with simple present tense form of the verbs paying attention to the subject-verb agreement. So, a passage is given for you. During the long summer evenings, Ragesh and grandfather sit in the shade of the cherry tree. So, here Ragesh and grandfather is plural. Then there is an inverse rule for the verb, and instead of using S with the plural form, it will be coming without S. That's why we are using here the term sit. And moving to the next sentence, grandfather tells Ragesh stories of people who had turned into animals. So, here grandfather is a singular, but here we are using the inverse rule again. That is why tells instead of tell, here the grandfather is singular and the verb is also singular. So, in verb, singular is coming with S. So, you can do the rest of the exercise, pause the video, do it and come back. Hope you all done. We can check the answers. During the long summer evenings, Ragesh and grandfather sit in the shade of the cherry tree. Grandfather tells Ragesh stories of people who had turned into animals, and Ragesh reads the paper aloud. Sometimes Ragesh gazes up at the sky through the trees. Grandfather and Ragesh often wonder why they enjoy looking at this particular tree when there are so many in the valley around them. Grandfather thinks it is because they planted it themselves. Ragesh says he feels like goat because they nurtured the seedling to a tree. Hope all the answers are correct. We can move to the next section of the exercise. It is listening. I will read the passage for you. Listen carefully and tick the correct answers for the questions given below. Listen the passage, complete the exercise and come back. The deodar tree is also known as the Himalayan cedar. It is a native of Pakistan and the Himalayas and is an evergreen coniferous tree. It thrives at an altitude of 1500 to 3500 meters above the sea level. It is a national tree of Pakistan. Its name is derived from Sanskrit. And the tree is considered sacred to Hindus. It grows to a height of 40 to 60 meters and bears slender green leaves which are like sharp needles. It also bears cones. These trees are planted to add beauty to the environment and can be found in many parks and gardens. But the tree also has its uses. The wood of the tree is used for construction of houses and it is sturdy and long lasting. It is also used to make houseboats in Kashmir. The inner wood of the deodar tree is used to make incense sticks as it has a pleasant fragrance. The oil from the inner wood of the tree is used to treat many ailments. It is also used to keep off insects. Hope you all done with it. Let us check the answers. First one, another name for the deodar tree is Himalayan cedar. Next one, the deodar tree grows 1500 to 3500 meters above the sea level. Third one, the tree grows to a height of 40 to 60 meters. Fourth one, in Kashmir, the wood is used to build houseboats. Fifth one, the inner wood of the deodar tree is used to keep off insects. Hope all the answers are correct. We can move to the next section, that is spelling. Here we have two words, listen and heart. If the letters of these words are rearranged, we will get another word. That is, for listen, we will get silent, and for heart, we will get earth. These are anagrams. Anagrams are words made by rearranging the letters of a word. Here we have an example, lemon. We rearranged the letters of lemon into melon. You have exercise given below. Pause the video, do it and come back. Hope you all done. Let us check the answers. The first one is altar. You can rearrange the letters to form the word later. Next one is ruby, that is bury. Third one is name, that is M-A-N-E, main. Next one is glean, that is ankle. Fifth one is raise, that is care. And finally, the sixth one is seal, that is sail. Hope all the answers are correct. We can move to the next section, that is writing. So, before that, we can check what is a paragraph. A distinct portion of a written or printed matter dealing with a particular idea, usually beginning with an indentation on a new line. So, the paragraph should be starting with a new line. A paragraph is usually convey an idea. Throughout the story, we can see the relationship between grandfather and Ragesh, how they are taking care of each other. You also have a good relationship with some of your elder relatives. Here we are going to write a paragraph on your relationship with one of your elder relative. So, before that, we can analyze the process of paragraph writing. In brainstorming, why do you like this person? You can think about what all things you are going to write about the person. What all similarities you have, what all differences you have, what is the speciality of your relationship, what kind of a person he is. Like that, you can think and start writing the paragraph. Second one is outlining. Write brief description about the person, likes and dislikes, and what all things you're doing together. Third one is drafting. You can write the first draft and you can revise it, modify or delete ideas, revise the first draft, improve it, and finally is the final draft. You can write the final draft. Likewise, you can write a paragraph and send it through Teams. Here, there is a sample for you, Rangana and I. Rangana is my aunt. I call her by her nickname, Ranga Auntie, which I used to call her by since I was a toddler. When I was 6 years old, I sat crying outside the school gate as my bus had left without me. After a while, I saw my aunt hurrying towards me. She hugged me affectionately and told me that she was there to pick me up. It was that moment of relief which established a bond between us that we still cherish. As she lives close to my house, I visit her whenever I can. When she is worried, I sit by her and hold her hand just to let her know that I am there for her. Whenever she cooks something special, she makes sure that I am the first one to taste it. Though I share my secret with her, I am scared of her as well. Nonetheless, the warmth and affection that bind us grows stronger with each passing day. My heart is filled with happiness each time I realize that I have been blessed with an aunt like her. So, you can go through this paragraph. It's a sample for you. Moving to the next exercise, it's word bank. Here, make 2 sentences with the word cover, each with a different meaning. You can write 2 sentences with different meaning by using the word cover. By this, we are completing the chapter. Complete the exercise and send it through Teams. We'll meet you in the next class. Till then, goodbye.